We are in one of the many Paladin Technologies offices, and I'm joined by Mike from Aiphone. Mike, how are you doing?
Doing great, doing great. Just finished a training with the Montreal branch, so getting them ready to prime to certified to install our IXG series.
And can you tell us more about these kinds of training? I know you do a bunch across the country, so when we're talking about an Aiphone training, what is it specifically?
Specifically, what we want to do is get them comfortable with the product, show them best practices, and make sure that they don't get themselves into tight situations. So for example, my go-to standard that I want to hammer in for every certification training that I do is program your intercoms in advance prior to installation. It makes a difference between you being comfortable in your office, with a cup of coffee in your hand programming the intercoms, to being hunched over in an electrical closet with a folding chair if you're lucky, and the customer over your shoulder stressing you out. Comfort leads to slow is smooth, smooth is fast type of thing.
And when we're looking at these types of training, how many installers are you training at the same time?
It can vary. If it's in person, it's probably half a dozen depending on the size of the company. But it could also just be remote, just one-to-one, depending on, if it's an independent contractor, for example, but they're interested in installing and programming Aiphone. There's no preference. I could speak for the Canadian team that for me, on average, it's about 2 to 4 people per certification training.
And now, I have an installing company.
Yeah.
How can I book a training like this one you just did today?
Oh, that's an excellent question. There's a couple ways. I usually, if you go to the aiphone.com website and you check your location, you could find your sales representative and they could direct you to the appropriate sales engineer that would be able to help you. At Aiphone, we try to go as local as possible for supporting. Keeping in mind North America is a wide territory to support. But yeah, the website would definitely be the best place to start.
And now, maybe some more specific question about the training for people that are listening right now. Is there any misconception people have about the Aiphone products that you actually help people understand more that they can go home with after training?
Oh, yeah, that's a pretty good question too. I can give a couple of examples. My go-to main example for misconceptions is the reset button on the back of the intercom is not actually a reset button for security reasons. It'll only put it in maintenance mode for 60 seconds. So during my certification trainings, I try to walk them through how to reset a station the proper way. So that's what we did today. Even we had them all reset their stations so that they could program them and be ready to go.
And maybe a final question for you guys, because I know you guys are busy, and thank you again for giving us your time.
Absolutely.
Any feature that is underutilized in Aiphone that, again, people can understand how to use them after such a training?
Oh yeah, personal bias is going to be the custom sounds. One of the things is they're used to a doorbell going ding dong, but it doesn't have to. It could be your voice being your calls in progress. You could record your own sounds, and even for a commercial building or an office, you could have it set to ring to reception during office hours, and outside of office hours, it could just say thank you for your interest, but we're currently closed. Keeps it nice and simple, and they're all informed.
Did you install any Aiphone products before this training?
Yes.
Okay, so a seasoned veteran we have here. And so now in this training, did you learn any new features or products you actually got you exciting about Aiphone as a company?
Yes, with this training, I think now I'm seeing more easily than it was before. Just because you got a couple of explanation, you get the confirmation of what you're thinking, and you're more sure of the project. Like the big intercom, the Aiphone EXDV, it's the one that I installed. Now I know they can communicate with each other by the other port on the side. I wasn't aware of that, so for my job it would be easier. Now that I know that, I will pass only one cable and not two to the different room. I would connect with continuity. I think he's got the right way to communicate his information. Like the computer things, like the address IP and the firmware, because you think of a solution, but you're never sure. It's always complicated, but with the explanation, it's getting simple.
Yeah, I feel the more we install a product, we think we have the knowledge to install it and more. But a training like this, I believe that's what it brings, right? So
Yes.
how do you see this in the impact, like in the field itself? So what does a training like this bring? You mentioned new solutions, but how would you approach your clients with the knowledge you gained today?
With the client, it would be easier for him to understand what I can do with the products. Because before the training, I only get the information by the sheet that they gave it with the products. Now I can say no of what he wants. Maybe he didn't order the right products. And now with the training, I can explain to him which products he need for his
project.
His projects, yes.
Yeah, it's true that Aiphone is such a big manufacturer. There's many solutions. I know Mike mentioned the cloud solution as well.
Yeah.
So it's really interesting. And maybe between you and me, what did you think of Mike as a trainer today?
Oh, it's pretty good. Pretty good. I give him a 9 on 10 because there's no perfection. So he's a pretty good communicator. He's getting contact with everyone. He's showing the kind of error that we can feel on the client. I think Mike is a good communicating for make it simple.
Yeah, I agree. He's a great communicator.
Yeah.
Again, thank you, Mathieu. Thank you for Paladin Technologies. And would you recommend this training to anyone? For friends, family members?
Yes, of course. But for my family, it's not in this industry. But of course, I will refer for all my colleagues.
All right. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
I spoke with all the installers here. Just so you know, you have an average of 9 out of 10
All right.
on the rating, so you're doing a pretty good job.
Room for improvement, I see. I want to go for that extra one.
And that's what we're all about. So again, Mike, thank you for your time.
Absolutely.
I wish you good luck. And again, great training we had here with Paladin.
All right, thank you so much.
All right, take care.